Wind turbines are a clean and renewable way to make electricity. They help fight climate change and reduce pollution. But there's one problem we don't talk about much. They can be dangerous to birds. It's estimated that between 10,000 and 100,000 birds are killed every year in the UK by flying into spinning wind turbine blades. That sounds like a lot, and it is. But for context, around 55 million birds are killed each year in the UK. Still, we shouldn't ignore the issue. Scientists have been looking for ways to make wind turbines safer for birds. One simple idea that actually worked? Painting one of the three turbine blades black. In a test in Norway, researchers painted one blade on some turbines and left others unpainted. Over time, the turbines with the black blade had 70% fewer bird deaths, especially among big birds like white-tailed eagles. Why did it work? The black blade helped birds see the spinning blades more clearly, so they could avoid flying into them. This trick makes the blades more visible and reduces something called motion smear, which confuses the bird's vision. The good news is, if this is done before the turbines are built, it's cheaper and easier to do. Scientists now recommend repeating these tests in other locations to make sure it works everywhere. So yes, wind turbines can harm birds, but with simple changes, we can protect both nature and our need for clean energy.